Hi, I'm Frank Eichinger, your 4 Pillars Debt Relief Specialist in Brampton. I can help you get out of debt and put an end to all the stress. I do it by restructuring your debt so you only pay a portion of what you owe. Then I help you rebuild your credit rating so you can quickly get your life back on track. Everyone dreams of being debt-free, the freedom from bills to pay and living a life without financial burdens. If you find yourself living paycheck to paycheck or worrying about how you are going to pay your next bill, then you are not alone. Here is a game plan that you can follow that will help to solve this situation. Number 1, get a handle on your budget. Controlling your money and understanding your expenses is the key to a successful wealth creation or get out of debt plan. You need to create an accurate budget of what you make and what you can spend. Number 2, write down all the debts you have, including regular bills, car loans, credit card payments, personal loans, and any other debts. Number 3, put together a get out of debt plan. Armed with a solid budget and a list of your outstanding debts, it's time to put the plan together and stick with it. Part of this plan is ensuring that you make at least your minimum monthly payments on your credit card debts. No matter how small the payment is in comparison to the amount outstanding, it's a key part of getting out of debt, as this compounding interest can be a real deterrent to getting out of debt. Number 4, reward yourself. You have been working hard to pay off these debts. As counterproductive as it sounds, at the end of each debt you pay off, do something nice for yourself. Whatever it is, make it fun, memorable, and enjoyable. Sometimes there is just too much debt to handle. If you do your monthly budget and you are in a negative position and you have bills and credit cards already in collections, it might be a sign that your financial situation has deteriorated to the point that it is beyond your control. If this is the case, you should seek help right away. These things never fix themselves, and the longer you ignore this pending financial crisis, the less options you have to deal with it. No doubt you have questions of your own. Let's talk. You can call me and tell me what's going on, and I can explain your options to you. The consultation is free. I'll help you deal with your debt and move beyond it.